Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, August 15, 2025. Let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. Business PMI data from New Zealand beats the expectations of 48.8 with the actual number of 52.8. GDP in Japan, one of the major events during the Asian session, beats the expectations of 0.1% with the actual number of 0.3%. Industrial production from China down from 6.8 to 5.7, lower than expectations. Chinese unemployment rate increasing from 5% to 5.2%. Industrial production in Japan is rising from minus 0.1% to 2.1%. GDP in Switzerland down from 0.5 to 0.1%. This is the key event for the London session. During the US session, we got core retail sales data scheduled for release at 2:30. And then we have the export price index, import price index, New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, and the retail sales. And those are data scheduled for release at 2:30, together with the Canadian data, manufacturing sales and wholesale sales. Industrial production data are scheduled for release at 3:15. Business inventories and Michigan 1-year and 5-year inflation expectations, together with the consumer expectations and consumer sentiment. All of these data are from the US and are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. Retail inventories, excluding auto and Atlanta, are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock as well. And at 7 o'clock, we got Atlanta Fed GDP now, together with the US Baker Hughes oil recount and total recount. So this looks like a quite busy day, especially during the US session. So without any further ado, let's switch to the chart. We start with euro dollar. The 4-hour chart of the euro dollar, after yesterday low located at 1.1632, is bouncing slightly higher. The momentum broke below the level of 50. Now it's back above this level again, 55 points. Nevertheless, the market is still below the technical resistance here, 1.17, and below the short-term swing high located at 1.1731. So those are the two major levels. We are consolidating here in this range. So if there is no movement to the upside, we got the 100 periods moving average at 1.1619. And the market might be moving up and down for quite some time. Nevertheless, the target for the bulls is still located at 1.1790. Maybe better than expected data from the US will help to lift the movement to the upside. British pound, obviously our another market to analysis, and this analysis will be quite short, because as you can see, we've been rejected from the previous wave B high, 1.3587. We went down towards the 1.3520, and now the market is trying to move back towards this technical resistance. Momentum went to the level of 56. Now it's on the level of 63, so it's quite strong. And if the level of 1.3584 is violated, then the wave B high is now the past, and the next target is 1.3789. So the British pound is looking still bullish, looking quite well. This is normal pullback, normal situation when we are making the new swing high, and you can see that we keep making the swing highs and swing highs here during this movement from the lows of the wave C. So definitely, if the momentum is that strong as it is right now, the market will be moving higher to keep the up trend. US dollar versus the Japanese yen, 4-hour time frame chart went down towards the level of 29, and then obviously it should go a little bit lower towards 145.87. This is the technical support. Nevertheless, it bounced back towards 100 periods moving average 147.87, and it was reversed to the downside as well. Right now the market is back below the level of 50 on the RSI, obviously, and it's looking for another movement to the downside. We are still holding our scenario here that sooner or later this technical support from July 24th at 145.87 will be tested, basically, sooner or later. So right now we got a new swing low, local swing low. So this technical support is not that strong, and we should see another movement to the downside as long as the market will stay below 100 periods moving average, below the technical resistance, and below the trend line. The outlook remains bearish. What is going on the US dollar index? You can see straight on that the US dollar index reversed, almost hit the 100 periods moving average 98.39, and reversed lower, which is why euro dollar, British pound are going up. So there is the yesterday low 97.60, and in the case of a further breakout to the downside, there is 97.08. This is the next technical support for the bulls. We might see this technical support to be tested quite soon if this kind of a momentum will be something quite normal right now. Occasional spikes towards the level of 56 on the momentum didn't actually help the US dollar index to rally. We are back below the level of 50 right now. It's 45 points, so quite strong to the level of 40, and we should see more downside movement very soon. Okay, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. As you can see, we made another swing high, 124,517, and then reversed straight on. We are below the trend line. Obviously, right now we are below the short-term trend line, so we must place our technical resistance at the top of this swing, and this zone is again the technical resistance zone, but it might not be working very well because it's been tested already and violated. So let me just remove it, and now we got only two clear zones, one from the above, which is basically very close to the all-time high, and this zone below the 116,000. So this is quite important to keep an eye on this level, because if this zone is violated, if the 116 is violated, the next target is the August 3rd low at 111,920. So for now, this breakout below the trend line doesn't actually look good for the bulls, but we are still above the 100 periods moving average, so any breakout back above the trend line will be considered very bullish. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Ethereum. Ethereum yesterday made a little bit of a pullback towards 4,448. Nevertheless, we are back trading higher. 4,662 is still in play. The momentum is slowly moving lower. It's doing lower lows on this for our time frame chart. Nevertheless, it's still above the level of 50. So please keep an eye on the potential movement back towards the 4,789. This is the local swing high. This is the local technical resistance. We might break above this level if the momentum will picks up. Nevertheless, if we switch to the daily on the Ethereum, we can clearly see that there is some sort of the bullish engulfing pattern right where the top for the wave 3 should happen. Nevertheless, if today's candle it will be green, if today's candle will be strong, or if today's candle will close above the yesterday's candle high, this pattern is invalidated, and we might see something like this. That's what I mean. We might see something like this. So maybe today's candle, maybe tomorrow's candle might close above the this green, this red candle as we have it here. This is all valid as long as the yesterday low, which is 4,448, is not violated, right? So we cannot break below the yesterday's low, because in that situation this candle will turn red again. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.